Our body needs cleansing daily, but many people are not doing it right. Here are the 11 daily cleaning routine for your body. 1. When first beginning to enter the shower, place your clean clothes in an area where they will remain dry. Placing them on or near the toilet can expose them to harmful germs, while setting them too close to the shower may allow water and/or residue from your cleansing products to land on them. 2. Before showering, brush your hair to remove any loose hair to make the shampoo more productive. 3. Turn the water on and check it with your hand before stepping in to avoid serious burns or a chilling surprise. 4. Before applying any soap or hair cleaning products, make sure that your entire body is wet. Most body cleansing products will not work without moisture. 5. Use a very small amount of shampoo and gently spread it over your hair. Use your fingers to rub it into the scalp. After rubbing for 1 to 2 minutes, immediately rinse it. 6. At this point you can use a conditioner in the same way as the shampoo. Allow it to remain in your hair for 2 to 3 minutes. 7. Next, use a gentle soap to clean your entire body. Using a washcloth or other cleaning device is best. Make sure that you wash every part of your body. This includes behind your ears, between your toes, under your armpits and the back of your neck. 8. You can now rinse your entire body once again to remove the soap from your skin and the conditioner from your hair. This is also a good time to use any face cleaning regimen. 9. If you plan to shave in the shower, be sure to use a cream or gel-based shaving agent to prevent burns and irritation. 10. If you shaved or used a face cleaning regimen, rinse your body once more and turn off the water. 11. When you dry your hair, avoid rubbing it, instead dab the towel to remove the moisture. Following the above routine will keep your body youthful, radiant and glowing.